Aloha, everybody, and welcome to this episode of Beth's Best. Today we are at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows to check out a bungalow villa. Let's do this. Your home for Disney room tours, guides, and reviews. Hit subscribe and the bell. We are about to tour a bungalow villa here at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. I got the opportunity to tour one of these and I just couldn't stop myself from filming it for you guys. I cannot wait to share it. This is a 2-bedroom bungalow. There are 20 of them here at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. This is going to be unit 7020 and it's right on the side where the TTC is. So let's check this out. This room is absolutely gorgeous. Welcome to the bungalows at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. These are the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalows. They sleep up to 8 guests and they start at a mere 115 points per night. This is the first of 2 bedrooms. This is going to be the smaller secondary bedroom. It has a queen bed and a drop-down single bed under the TV. Same ones that you will find in the studio villas. If you want to see a tour of a studio, I've got one from a couple of years ago. I'll link above, and I've got a fresh one coming out in a couple months. So hit subscribe to see that. I want to point out there's great storage in this bedroom. Not only do you have storage in the nightstands, you've got a closet organizer, and you've also got some drawers under the window seat, which I just think is adorable. Now we are in the primary or master bedroom. You'll notice there is storage space underneath that bed. You've also got some drawers in the nightstands. Now this room is hard to catch its brilliance on camera. I tried to show you the light kind of reflecting up off of the lagoon. It's a very cool vibe. It really does make you feel like you are in Bora Bora, which is what they are going for here. Again, you've got more storage in this desk area. I highly doubt you're doing any actual work while you're here, but it's nice to have. Smaller closet organizer in this bedroom, but this bedroom is really all about that bathroom. And you've got a door here to the deck, which we will see in a minute. You've got a private entrance to exit to the deck. Now let's check out that bathroom. This bathroom is spectacular. You have a TV in the mirror, you've got double sinks, you have all of these solid surface countertops in this unit are like a really black stone that make you feel like it's lava rock. It's not, but it has that vibe. And you've got, again, a beautiful soaker tub here, which looks really good to me at the end of a long park day. I don't know about you. You've also got a separate walk-in shower. And of course, the toilet is in its own little water closet tucked away, which you'll see in a second. Now back off the hallway on the same side as the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, you're going to find what is the second or guest bathroom. In the hallway on the way to those bathrooms, because it's actually 2, it's a split arrangement, is this closet area with just some, basic storage. It's good overflow storage though, for sure, as if there wasn't enough already in those 2 rooms. And then you've got, again, that split bathroom. So you've got one bathroom with a shower and a sink, and you've got a separate bathroom with just a sink and a toilet, which is great if you have a lot of people getting ready. This is the bathroom you're going to use if you are in the second smaller bedroom or if you are sleeping in the living room. And now you are in the main living space of the room. You've got a great kitchen and you've got a fabulous living room. You can sit 8 people at that table easily, so plenty of room for the guests who are staying there. Again, I think that the kitchen at Copper Creek in the cabins is slightly nicer, but I do love this living room. So in the living room, you've got that drop-down sleeper sofa again. Just the single, and then you've also got a pull-out queen-size couch, so the living room could sleep up to 3 guests. Again, these units sleep up to 8 people, and you do have some drawers in the living room for people who are sleeping in that space, which is very convenient. But really, it's just all about the view, and it's all about that outdoor area. So being located on Seven Seas Lagoon, you're going to have great water views from these bungalows. I will warn you, though, that they're not super private like the Copper Creek cabins are. You are kind of open and exposed, and that's totally fine with me in this scenario. Plenty of lounging space, and you've also got your own private plunge pool. Word of warning, it's not heated here at the bungalows. It is at the Copper Creek cabins, but it's not heated here. You do also have an outdoor shower head right next to the plunge pool if you want to rinse off before you jump in. Super convenient. It's just perfect amount of space, though, if you are going to be watching the fireworks or if you just want to watch the world go by. And that's the door back to that primary or master bedroom. Look at that view, great view of Magic Kingdom, and that's not even zooming in, guys. That is just a straight shot from the deck. Isn't that room to die for? It's just so incredible, and the point chart does match it. If you're a DVC member, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's a lot of points, but that place is gorgeous. Let's talk about Disney's Polynesian villas and bungalows. First off, if you are looking for something more affordable, check out my tour on a studio. I've got a standard view studio that I did a couple of years ago. I'll link above and below, and I've got another studio tour coming for you, so hit subscribe and the bell so you'll know when I drop that. Now let's talk about the Polynesian. Okay. It is one of these resorts that people like myself absolutely love and had an affinity for. Some people don't love it because they don't feel like it's authentic Polynesian. Well, spoiler alert, it's not, right? It's 1960s tiki culture. For me, it's absolutely a soft spot because it's one of the original hotels that opened with Magic Kingdom back in 1971. This and the Contemporary. If you want to check out a tour over at Bay Lake, again, I'll link that above and below. So back to the Polynesian. Now, this is arguably the best located DVC resort or any resort here on Disney property, and let me tell you why. A couple of major things. You are in the Crown, so you are on the monorail loop next to Magic Kingdom, so you can get to Magic Kingdom now 3 ways. You can get to Magic Kingdom on a monorail, you can get to Magic Kingdom on a boat, or you can now walk because you are right next door to the Grand Floridian, and there's a walking path between the two, and now the Grand Floridian has its own walking path between it and Magic Kingdom. If you want to see room tours on Grand Floridian, I will link those above and below for you as well. Now, super convenient, which means that not only can you get to Magic Kingdom, you can also access the dining options that are over at the Grand Floridian. You can also use the spa over there. You know, obviously you got to book an appointment, but it's super convenient. And then if you're going to Epcot, you are right next to the TTC, or the Transportation and Ticket Center, which means you can just walk right over there and get on the Epcot monorail when that's running. If it's not running, there'll be bus options. Do you hear the boats?
yeah, that's the ferry boat going from the TTC over to Magic Kingdom. So many transportation options here, arguably the best located. They have great dining here at the Polynesian as well. So you've got Captain Cook's is the quick service. You've also got Kona Cafe is the table service. And then you have Ohana, which is a fan favorite. If you've never eaten at Ohana, it is fabulous. They have a breakfast that is Lilo and Stitch themed. It's super cute. It's one of the old places that you can meet those characters. And they have a fabulous all you care to enjoy buffet for dinner as well. And then they have the Spirit of Aloha dinner show, which happens here in the evenings. So a lot of things to love here about Disney's Polynesian Village. I mean, if you've stayed here, I want you to let me know. Did you love it as much as I do? Or maybe it's on your bucket list. If it is, let me know. If you have other rooms that you want me to tour and review for you, let me know what those are in the comments below as well. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like button. That helps us out with the algorithm on YouTube. The more likes you have and more engagement that you have, the higher it ranks the video, because it tells YouTube that it's quality content. So hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like button if you thought this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.